Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Simple Streaming, and today I want to talk to you about Twitchcon. More specifically, why you shouldn't go to Twitchcon. I know, some of you may be thinking, but slacks, isn't Twitchcon supposed to be the ultimate gathering for Twitch fans and streamers? Well, let me tell you, there are a few reasons why you might want to reconsider. Reason 1, expenses. First and foremost, let's talk about expenses. Going to Twitchcon can be pretty costly. From the ticket prices to the travel costs and accommodations, it can all add up pretty quickly. And let's not forget about all the other expenses that come with traveling, like food and entertainment. So, unless you have a lot of money to spare, you might want to think twice before attending. Reason 2, crowds. Another reason why you might want to skip Twitchcon is the crowds. Twitchcon attracts thousands of people every year, which can make for a pretty overwhelming experience. If you don't like crowds or standing in long lines, then Twitchcon might not be the event for you. Plus, with so many people in attendance, it can be tough to actually meet and interact with your favorite streamers. Reason 3, content. Finally, let's talk about the content. While Twitchcon does offer a variety of panels, workshops, and events, some people may find the content to be lacking. If you're someone who's looking to learn more about streaming or grow your channel, you might find that the information provided at Twitchcon isn't all that helpful. Additionally, if you're not a big fan of the Twitch community or streaming in general, you might find the content to be uninteresting. Conclusion. So there you have it, 3 reasons why you might want to reconsider attending Twitchcon. Of course, this isn't to say that Twitchcon isn't a fun event or that you shouldn't go if you really want to. But if you're on the fence about attending, I hope this video has given you some food for thought. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.